Welcome to our YouTube channel Score Band. Here you will get tips and tricks about how to get good band scores in exam. In this video you will learn about a sample answer of a cue card, describe a person who inspired you to do something interesting. But before starting the cue card, we request you that, if you have any queries related to any cue card, you are free to ask us in the comments section, and we will try to solve your queries as soon as possible, and make sure to subscribe the channel. So let's get started with the cue card. Describe a person who inspired you to do something interesting. In this cue card you have to speak about a person who inspired you to do something interesting. Here is the sample answer. In life, we often go through challenging situations, and in such a scenario, we need inspiration from others to bounce back. I got inspiration from someone worth mentioning in one of my lean phases. She is Dr. Rimple Sharma, and she works as a dietitian. I had to stay indoors 2 years ago due to the corona pandemic. During that time, I indulged in binge eating and gained much weight. Post-lockdown, I joined the college, but because I was overweight, people used to pass offensive comments on me. To lose weight, I joined a gym and did rigorous exercise for 2 months, but I did not get the desired result. After that, I tried aerobics and yoga, but the result was the same. Being a failure at weight loss, I went into depression and stopped attending college. Seeing my plight, Dr. Rimple Sharma, my next-door neighbor, came to my rescue. She inspired me to lose weight under her supervision. She inspired me by explaining to me the process of weight loss. She told me that to lose weight effectively, we need not focus on exercise much. Instead, we should focus on mindful eating. She told me to eat my meals between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. to practice intermittent fasting. Although her advice did not convince me, I decided to try it as I had no other option. Her advice worked like a charm, and I got the desired result in 3 months. I got back in shape, and my depression went for a toss. I felt good about it because the advice of Dr. Rimple Sharma brought a paradigm shift in my life, and I became a confident person. So this was the sample answer, and if you still face any difficulties, then ask your doubts in comments section.